Hello humans, it's Edna. Welcome to my little world.
So I'm in Arusha. I'm trying to get to Makini Swings and also Ngare, Sero, and also I want to go to Duluti all in one day. And my guide is not picking up my calls.
I'm coming down. Drink my water.
I am so good. Anyway, come with me.
If I vanish!
After almost 30 minutes, I decided to take a cab, and the cab driver brought company for some reason, but we finally got to Makini Swings, so
I feel happy, I feel grateful, and I feel fulfilled. I'm happy because I never expected it, but God gave it to me. I'm grateful to Him.
Hey.
Oh.
Nabonyeza nyekundu.
I've just gotten to Makini Swings. Here is my guide. Yeah, we're gonna take a hike. 10 minutes. Where's 10 minutes? 10 minutes. Yeah, we're gonna take a 10-minute hike to the swing. Yeah. Nisiteleze hapa. I am so unfit. Here is the swing area. We're heading to the sea. Take a hike. I have taken a hike.
of course I had to set up my tripod, which I ended up not needing for the most part.
Just changed to go to the swing. Yeah, I need to look pretty for the swing.
Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. I want you to jog.
Yes, this is what I came here for. So, fun fact, these swings were actually inspired by the famous Bali swings that became popular all over social media. And a lot of people come here for the sunset shots, but this day I was actually alone because I got here really early. This is the perfect place for all my adrenaline junkies.
I'm done with Makini Swings. So next step is Ngare, Sero. Let's see if I'm gonna be able to do all three. Here's my guide. He's also a Boda rider. Yeah. Heading to Ngare, Sero now. Location number 3. So we are finally here. Finally at Ngare, Sero.
Actually, that was a discounted price for the entrance. I was supposed to initially pay 100,000 Tanzanian shillings, but I ended up paying less because I told them I'm not gonna do the boat ride because I had plans to do it at Lake Duluti, which is a little bit bigger.
Few moments later.
My bag was heavy because I'd carried 1,000 clothes. I'm not even kidding.
Oh my God! Wow!
This is the second location. Time to take pictures, videos, and then go to the third location.
This is the famous love sign that I kept seeing everywhere, and I'm glad I got to experience this. This place is absolutely dreamy. By the time you're done with this video, you'd have learned a couple of fun facts. Let me give you another fun fact. Did you know that Ngare Sero literally means flowing water? Because in Maasai, Ngare means water or river, and Sero generally means flowing. So Ngare Sero means flowing water. Ngare Sero is famous because of its natural springs and the beautiful greenery. You can get to do a couple of activities. People are enjoying a boat ride, which I didn't get to do because I had plans to do it somewhere else. They have a beautiful lounge and an outside restaurant where you can get to enjoy your meal. At the very end, the houses that you see there, those are actually hotels. You can come stay here. It's absolutely worth it. The environment supports lots of birds and small wildlife because of its greenery nature.
Time for the third location. This was the second location. I'm tired. Heading to the third location now. I'm heading to Duluti. I'm already done.
If you've gotten this far, I want to say thank you very much, asante sana, and I hope you may subscribe.
I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she keeps pulling at my chain.
Number 3, location number 3.
Oh, traveler, you carry.
I think it's time I hit you guys another fun fact. So Lake Duluti was actually formed in a volcanic crater, and that's why it is so round and deep. The locals don't actually know the exact depth, and they say it is super mysterious. Okay, before I say this, please don't quote me, but there's actually a local legend that says that this lake once swallowed a nearby farm, therefore adding to its mystery. I don't know how true this is.
Ningeomba mnyamaze kidogo, nataka hii sound ya. Oh.
Allah. My love. My lovely dog. What is this? Where are we going? To really bad. Maybe you are not serious. Hmm? A pepper. Tunatokaje sasa? Kupitia wapi?
Swimming here is not allowed, it's prohibited, and that's why I had to dip my feet inside because lazima ilikuwa nishike hayo maji. I even put my hands inside. Since I'm not allowed to swim, I might as well touch the water because it's so beautiful.
Yes. It was really nice. Everything is lovely. Wow, mashallah.
Hapo sawa, inaenda kichakani, ngoja.
Afraid of fate if I don't take that step to
Some places can be explored in a few hours while others deserve an entire day. Yesterday, after my exploration, I went back to Moshi where I was staying. My grandma lives there, so accommodation was practically free for me. And the next day, I set out to go to Kikuletwa Chemka because this place deserves an entire day to itself. And I'd recommend you go in the morning because it's less crowded and you'll get to enjoy and get the beautiful photos. And the tuk-tuk guy that I came with here had to wait for me because there isn't any other means of transport to bring you back. Once you get here, you can choose to get a guide or not, but I opted to get a guide since I was here solo, and the guide gets to take videos of you and photos because they're able to swim with your phone. Despite its name, which is Chemka Hot Springs, and for my international viewers, Chemka means boiling. This place is not hot. The water is warm and it's crystal clear. There goes another fun fact. This blue color of the water comes from the minerals and the reflection of the sunlight, and the water actually comes from underground geothermal sources, and that's why it's constantly flowing and it's absolutely clean. After the humiliation I had on my first try, I absolutely had to go for a couple more rounds to get my redemption arc. This is so fun. Ni raha, waweza shinda hapa the whole day bila kujua. Do you see how clear the water is? You can see the fish swimming around my feet. This is so beautiful, mashallah. Kikuletwa is like an oasis because it's basically in the middle of dry land.
Chukua saa 0.5, ufocus na mimi, usifocus na mimi sana, ufocus na huku mpaka huku.
Okay.
Sawa?
Okay.
Sasa niende.
Alhamdulillah, I got a very nice guide who was very patient with me considering I spent almost my whole day here, and also very grateful for the tuk-tuk guy because he could have left me and he waited for me this whole time. By the time I was leaving here, the place was packed, and of course I had to take another video. Let me now shut up so that you can enjoy the view. much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like and subscribe. Till next time, kwaheri.